Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update Notepad++. So let's have a look now. At first, open Notepad++ on your computer. In the menu bar, click here, then select Check for Updates. Notepad will connect to the internet and check for any available updates. As you see, no update is available here, but if an update is available, a notification will appear. Click on Yes or Update Notepad to download and install the latest version. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the update. After the update is installed, Notepad may prompt you to restart the application. Save any open work and click Yes to restart and apply the changes. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.